Checking out the women's. Look at this. Look at this. GT Hustle 3s. Metcon 9s still going for 35. Pretty sure that is marked incorrectly because that shows 20 for that. They still got these tech fleece right here. Yeah, the old tech fleece, the crunchy one. And look at this one. $20. I have a feeling that's marked incorrectly. $20. Gave away my Invincible Run Flyknits. So we gotta find some more. Checking out the women's. Look at this. Look at this. GT Hustle 3s. Down to $30, really? It's interesting because they have bigger sizes, size 11, and these are 60. I did talk to the workers, and he said, yeah, dude, these are 60 and those are 30. Got Air Forces right here going for $30 in women's. Wow. All right, that's about it for the really big women's section. I gotta lay low apparently now. Kind of weird. They still got the Pegasus Turbo. Next Nature is going for $35. Got a few of those. I did check for these. I grabbed one of these for, what did I grab one of these for? I got one for $40. I gave both of my pairs away like I mentioned. So they're $80 now. What the hell? Did have one of the workers price check it, and yeah, it came up as $80. I don't understand because it was marked down, I think like as of the 20th or something. I don't know, something weird going on here. Still do got stuff like this. The Zagama Trail 2s going for $40. These are trail running shoes with, I believe these have ZoomX, right? Or is it React? I don't know. These have Nike React on them. They're not bad for hiking shoes, $40, size 10. Metcon 9s still going for $35. Got quite a few of those going for $35 still. Delta 3s right here still going for $35. These blue Pegasus Turbo Next Nature is $40. React Frenzies, they're going for $40. ISPAs, these were just marked down today, $40. Jordan 1 Fly E's, $55. What are these, trainers? $30 for trainers. Roshi's going for $30. Terminator's going for $50. Still got these for $35. These were marked down on the 20th. Along with the center cords going for $30. Cosmic Unity 3s marked down to $35. Got a few of those. Size 10.5 going for $40. Air More Up Tempos. Air Max 97 go for $80. Tons of patent leather on it. Do got at least the reverse Brazils go for $90. Panda Mids right here, $100. Dunk Low, kind of like a Halloween colorway, going for $60. Air Force Ones going for $60. The Full Forces down to $50. These Metcons, I swear these have been here forever. Maybe they sold out and then came back again. $60 for those. These Infinity Run 4 still going for $40. Structures down to $35. A lot of the Invincible Run, a lot of the Infinity Run 4s, the Pegasus, they're all back to $80 now. Yeah, that's interesting. These Metcons are still going for $35 though, as well as these Phantom Run Flyknit 4s, $35. This is the Invincible Run Flyknit that I want right here. The size I want, the price, no, not really. $80. This got marked down. Look at this, $20. $20 for these. Holy cow! Pretty much free. $20 freaking dollars. The ZoomX definitely not the same, just not as comfortable as the Infinity Run Flyknit or the Invincible Run Flyknit 3s. Passing at $20. Damn. Pretty sure that is marked incorrectly because that shows 20 for that. Dated on the 18th. And this exact same one dated the 18th, 40 for those. And the ones in different sizes, they're marked 40, so I think they're supposed to be 40. That's why you gotta come pretty frequently, because certain things are marked incorrectly and things change or get corrected real quick. The one I did get for 40, I don't know if it was marked incorrectly, I don't know. They still got these tech fleece right here. You know, the old tech fleece, the crunchy ones, these are still going for $30. They just got smalls though. They got 4 of these small ones. Regular ones still going for $50. These are all smalls as well. These brown jackets right here, these are going for $80. Got a couple of the blue ones going for $80 as well as the gray ones right here. These are down to $50. You got a couple of smalls I'm pretty sure that's not right. But yeah, these are the ones with no hood on it. It says 150. That's kind of weird. And then the ones with the hood, these are down to, according to this one, down to 50. Size 11, got some interesting things. Look at this, Zoom Freak 5s, $30 for Zoom Freak 5s. Jordan 1 High Golf going for 80. Metcons, pretty much all being given away. Size 11.5, 35. This colorway of the Zoom Freaks going for 40. LeBron 4 Graffiti going for 100. Cosmic Unity right here. Cosmic Unity 3, Team Bank colorway 35. This colorway 40. All white one right here, 35. GT Hustle 3s in the men's go for 80. LeBron 20s are down to 100. These are the premiums. All their pricing hella sloppy right now. I just saw one of these for $79.99. These are going for $75 right here. Still $80 for these. This right here, this color's not bad. Glacier Blue going for $90. In the women's GT, got GT cuts right here. Look at this. Size 12 men's, 13.5 women's. $20, really? 20 bucks. Jordan Stadium 90s, $25. These are size 12 women's. Laser Jumbos, $25. 12 women's. Pegasus Fly E's. These do not have laces on them. $30 for size 12 women's. Haven't checked grade school in a while. Look at this. Airmore Up Tempos, $35. 35 bucks. Make sure you check. If you find a shoe that you like, make sure you check. Because look, they're not marking all of them. The marking is way, way off. I'm sure they've been hella busy. You definitely want to look for green tags. 70 for the 37s, 30, or those are 38s on that. 37s right here go for 70 as well. 6 rings, $30 for 6 rings. Air Max 97s go for 80. For this shoe, this is the third different price that we've seen on these. Holy cow. Woodside Chukkas go for 40. Those in the 6 and on the 5.5s. Dunks go for 90. Legacy 312 lows, $40. 40 for the 2s. Little phones right here. Little posits go for 80. LeBron 19s down to 70. 6.5. Jordan 38, $70. 36s go for 70 as well. The 2s 110. There's another colorway of the 37s go for 70. Zoom Freaks, they made these in grade school, go for 30 bucks. Barrage Lows down to 40. Grade school exclusive Airmore Up Tempo, 40 bucks. Air Max 1 Big Bubble. Is that a big bubble? Go for 50 bucks. And look at this one, $20. I have a feeling that's marked incorrectly. $20. 20 freaking bucks. And yeah, this one's like right here, right next to it. Yeah, man, I'm sure things have been crazy. Was this one of the ones marked incorrectly? They just tore it off. All right, they still got the denim jackets, $60 for Jordan denim flight jackets. Right next to that, they got some NBA jackets right here. These are going for $60. They are thicker than a windbreaker. It's windbreaker material on the outside. Does have some lining on the inside. I see a large, extra large, 60 for those. And then I see a Nike. I want to say it's kind of like a Leatherman's jacket without the arms. Without the leather arms. So these are going for $80. I see a small. I see a medium. It says they're oversized too. So yeah, I see an extra large as well. Tech fleece shorts right here, $40. Not bad. Color's a little tough. These are large. This is a really thick. Is this tech fleece? $50 for this one. It's really nice material. Yeah, I think these are all tech fleece. But yeah, I do got these as well. These are all smalls, 50 bucks. Some thick tech fleece and double XL going for 50 as well. Got this in XL 50. Got these navy ones right here. I think these are all double XL as well. Oh, these are 30, so these are not tech fleece. This one is tech fleece. Tech fleece is going for 40, which is not bad. These retail for like what, 80, 90? Some pretty big golf slacks right here, $30. Not too bad. Got these sweats right here. These sweats They're going for freaking what? $30 for these. Quadruple XL, $25 for tech fleece. I think this is a unisex one that everybody hates. So wide on the bottom. Triple XL, $20. $20 tech fleece shorts. Holy cow. I did check the extended women's section one more time, as well as the size 10s. And we've been here, what, 3 times in a little over a week, so yeah, we're gonna move on to the next spot. They got one of these next door. They still got jackets. They have the Cardinals jackets. This is a double XL going for $60. And these are Nike jackets, Nike baseball. Do got a double XL for the Giants right here. Check in the jacket section to see if they have any more. This is where they had the Dodgers one as well. No Dodgers ones, just a couple of double XLs. Not seeing much in the active top section. Pretty bare. And then in the sneaker section, got a couple of Currys. They are huge though. Size 16, 57. That looks like a size 18 or something like that as well. Another huge Ultra Boost size 15 going for 55. Yeah, I don't think they've really had a chance to stock up. May or may not have gotten one shipment at most today. And who knows if they even had time to bring it out. Who knows? But yeah, they got a size 8.5, $50 for the Project Rock right here. These are Project Rock 4s? 4s? 5s? I don't know. Got some Crocs right here, $30. Shelves just very, very bare. Got a LaMelo Ball figurine for $4 if you're into LaMelo Ball or if you're into the Charlotte Hornets. Got Zion right here. That's down to $4. They're not the Funko Pops though. Yeah, they got Luca right here. Got Kevin Durant, all $4. This one's $15. This one's $15. This is busted though. Allen Iverson's neck is busted. All the Lucas, the Zions, all those down to $4. Moving over to the women's section, got some platform Converse right here, $40. Haven't really seen these too much, to be honest. Okay. Under Armour hovers right here, going for $45. Got some nipple hiders. These are nipple hiders, right? These are concealers. Got some Ultra Bounce. That's always disappointing when you find them because you're like, damn, I found some Ultra Boost. Not really. Those are still going for $40. Yeah, man, that's about it here. Sports apparel, kind of, sort of, not really. But yeah, do got cups right here, mugs, or no, glasses. Glasses, $8 for 2 pint glasses. That's pretty decent. Got Washington water bottles, $16. Got more Angel stuff right here. Got a tumbler and a tumbler, $32. Shot glasses and a flask, $12 for that. Got a San Francisco one right here. Got a Bears tumbler right here. That's all bedazzled, I guess. $30 or $28 for that. I ain't been finding any shoes at Marshall. Is it even worth checking? Got some RSX here. No box at all now. That's what they've moved on to, no box. Do they even have a price tag? No box, no price tag. Oh, okay. $32 for the denim pair right there. Laces are interesting. What their Crocs down to. I used to buy Crocs at Marshall's all the time for my kiddo. See who's going through them so freaking quick. This one is marked down. $20 for that one. What are these right here? 580s. Going for $40. Alright, apparel. I ain't finding nothing. I don't see anything. That's it, dude. Team apparel right there, $25. Yeah, but nothing else, dude. Nothing else.